सुन, जब दो बाइकर्स आपस में बात करते हैं ना, तो बीच में बोला नहीं करते हैं।
दो का पता नहीं, पर एक तो है।
If there is one thing I know for certain, it is that this has to stop.
Women are not even accepted as human beings.
I will not be lectured about sexism and misogyny by this man. I will not.
It's our responsibility to make this world a better place.
Nakita ko ba talaga to? Puro babae kasama mo. Ha?
2026 na? Homophobic ka pa rin? Uy! Itigil mo na yan! Explanation ng video. Dapat nating suportahan, respetuhin ang kasarian ng bawat isa, anuman ang kanilang pagkakalanlan ng kasarian o sexualidad. 2026 na, homophobic ka pa rin?